Welcome to the installation video of Kentrol's hood bumper deletes for Jeep's 97 to 06 TJ and 07 to 18 JK Wranglers. Step 1. Open your hood and prop it open with its hood rod. Peel back the left and right heat shield just enough to gain access to the hood bumper nuts. Step 2. With a 10mm socket, hold the bumper with one hand and unscrew and remove its nut. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 3. Place the delete into the hood and support it with one hand. With the other hand, secure a washer and a nut to the delete stud. With a 13mm socket and a 5mm Allen wrench, tighten the nut and repeat on the opposite side. Enjoy your new Kentrol hood bumper deletes.